I'm Carlo Condello. I'm an assistant professor of neurology and an investigator at the Institute for Neurodegenerative Diseases. In 2019, I started the Condello Laboratory, where we study the fundamental basis of Alzheimer's disease with the hope that we can design and develop new molecular diagnostics and potential therapeutics. So right now, my research program is at the point of coming into its own. As a new PI, I have a lot of ideas where I want to take it. I'm trying to leverage my expertise I did throughout my entire training, and really this is the fun part. This is where I get to decide the puzzles we work on as a group. And those puzzles are going to be focused on Alzheimer's disease research. There's a lot to be said, what can be done and what we can do ourselves. But one thing that's really important to me is that we may study things in the laboratory, and it's about connecting them to the human population that actually suffers with these diseases. And something it's an important, perhaps critical part of the work we do in my lab is bridging those discoveries in our model systems to the actual human biospecimens we use to validate those discoveries. Now, what we've come to find out is that the donors that provide those vital reagents and resources for us to do this important work primarily come from one demographic, from one ethnic group. And we know now through lots of work of many that the genetic risk factors, that the mechanistic underpinnings of disease are likely not the same between all ethnic backgrounds. And so what I'd really hope to do in the future, and with the help of the Watson Award, is to bring that element of studying these risk factors, these different populations into our laboratory, so that we may make discoveries that are beneficial to all. The most exciting part of my job is the possibility that on any day I might come in and we may have a major breakthrough for biomedicine. While I bide my time for that moment, it's the mini breakthroughs that really kind of keep me at the edge of my seat. Those breakthroughs could be like getting that first piece of data supporting our new hypothesis, seeing, perhaps even better yet, a student get that data and have that eureka moment for the first time. And really, it's coming to work and being able to talk to some of the most brilliant people in science and medicine in the world, and being able to exchange ideas that may impact my work and theirs. It's an honor to be a Watson Scholar. I think it's an honor to be considered as a member of this new class in 2021 with other esteemed young colleagues of mine here at UCSF. It really, I think puts front and center, the important work that we all strive for, in our professional excellence, but also that we have something more, and we have something more to give back, and to have this recognition from the dean and the support of the committee, I think really is a testament to how important they think this work is. We're not only striving to bring diversity, equity, and inclusion to the workplace, but actually build it right in to the people who participate in our studies, who contribute to the science, and really together, make these breakthroughs alongside us. I'm really proud of the people who work with me and who I've been able to bring on as trainees, and not just because of their academic skill or because of their intellectual abilities, but they really take to heart the mission of DEI and how we can instill it not just as a new trend in our workplace, as an important aspect of improving the community here at UCSF, but really, like me, they see the benefit in that we're striving to make new discoveries in biomedical research that help everyone, not just the few. And so it's something that I've been lucky enough to have people who join my lab, who in fact I think join my lab because they see how important it is to me to pursue this mission.